Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble Titania. I'm also going to be giving you the lore behind Titania. So Titania is actually an easy piece to put together. She's like 8 or 9 pieces total, and 3 of them are like huge because it's her body and then her big ass wings. So that's good for dumb people like me. So Titania is known as the Queen of the Fae, the third law, the keeper of the old, the storm, and the withered rose. But all those fancy names aside, Titania is essentially the, like I said first, the Queen of the Fae. So before even humans set foot into Malifaux, she ruled over everyone. Until she was eventually betrayed by some of her own people who thought that she was getting too powerful. And then there was also a power struggle with the titans that were emerging and also trying to gain power in the world. Titania doesn't care for humans. She has a select few that she works with, like Marcus and Nikima, that she just kind of overlooks, but for her own benefit, essentially. And with the emergence of the Burning Man, she didn't think it would be an issue, and now it's becoming clear that the humans are a mess that need to be dealt with. They can't go on this way, otherwise shit's about to get real, essentially. So she's trying her very best to get to the Fae and get all her power back, like in the old days, and essentially take over. Will she? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you guys would like to see next. Or if you just want to say hi, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you. Bye.